Hey, Dr. Kingman here in the Vista with my nurse Sharon.
Hello.
And we're here to talk a little bit about one of our latest devices, Potenza, which is radio frequency microneedling. Sharon had a treatment just yesterday.
I did have a treatment yesterday.
So you can see her skin's in a little bit of a recovery phase.
Yes, a little puffy, but very tolerable procedure to do.
So this is what she looked like before, and basically it's designed for people to get rid of some fine wrinkles. It usually works best with a package of 3 separate treatments. And the way it works is it puts needles into the skin that generate heat. Both of those provide a very controlled injury to the dermis, and then as the dermis heals, it tightens. And it can provide a very nice result, again, especially with a package of 3 treatments. So was it tolerable?
It was tolerable. This yesterday was actually my second treatment, and our estheticians do a great job with this procedure. They also do a great job applying numbing medicine beforehand. And actually it's a numbing cream they put on the treatment area, and you sit for a while to let that take place, and then they go away with Potenza needling. It is very tolerable. You're well numbed. Afterwards you feel like maybe you have a bad sunburn. They put a serum on your face afterwards that stays on for 24 hours. So really I have not washed my face at all. I'll take my glasses off and show you that I do have some puffy eyes.
Yeah, get a close up there.
Yeah. And you know, my neck, my face, eyelids, and neck was treated. So I am a little puffy, but I have no discomfort at all today. Yesterday it felt like I used no sunscreen and had a bad sunburn, but nothing that can't be tolerated.
Really no downtime.
No
Here
downtime
she is
at
at
all.
work today, working a full day with us.
Right, exactly.
So check us out at the Vista and ask about Potenza. All right, so speaking of Potenza, we are offering the package of 3 for $25.50, but special around the open house includes special gifts, 4 gifts, which value up to $500. So this is the time to look into Potenza. All right, well, we're talking more about Potenza and your great experience here on the face and neck, but it can be used in other places, can't it?
It can. This is a treatment that can be used on the abdomen. It can be used on the knees, areas that you have some skin laxity that need skin tightening. Potenza is a great treatment for those areas too.
That makes it a little unique. Like lasers, you can't really use in those places. So to be able to tighten crepey skin around the knees or elbows or arms. It also works with acne scarring, so that might affect some younger people, and they have an option too.
And Potenza treatments are generally done a month apart. So again, our package of 3, you would do a month apart for your best results.